Rooting for you. Understanding a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used English phrase, rooting for someone. This phrase is packed with positivity and support, but what does it really mean? Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about English expressions, you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together, its origins, and how to use it in daily conversation. When you say you're rooting for someone, you're expressing your support or hope for their success in whatever they're doing. It's a way to tell someone that you're on their side and you wish them well. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from sports events to personal milestones. It's all about wanting the best for the person you're rooting for. The phrase, rooting for someone, has an interesting origin. It's believed to come from the British expression, to root for, which means to cheer on. Over time, this expression made its way across the Atlantic and became a part of American English, where it's now commonly used. The idea of rooting brings to mind the image of giving someone the nourishment and support they need to grow, much like roots do for a plant. Let's look at some examples of how to use rooting for someone in sentences. I'm rooting for my brother as he runs his first marathon. I know he's worked hard for this. We're all rooting for you to get the job. You're the perfect candidate. The whole town is rooting for the high school football team to win the state championship. These examples show that you can root for individuals or groups, in both professional and personal achievements. Interestingly, this phrase can be slightly altered to fit different contexts. For example, I'm in your corner implies a similar level of support. Cheering you on is another way to express that you hope someone succeeds. While these variations convey a similar sentiment, rooting for someone has a uniquely warm and personal touch. Thank you for joining me today to explore the meaning behind rooting for someone. This phrase is a beautiful way to express support and hope for others' success. Remember, whether it's a friend, family member, or even a team, letting them know you're rooting for them can make a big difference. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and I'll be rooting for you in your language learning journey.